severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southwestern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Marion, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marion, South Mountain State Park, Sugar Hill, Glenwood, Farrell, Geysersville, Pleasant Gardens, and Thermal City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, McDowell, and Rutherford.
Yep, an SVR indoors with my water radios. Yes, this is my Hey, let me finish my sentence. This is my question, as if you even care to know.
Northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, south central Burke County in western North Carolina, until 6 p.m. 5:31 p.m. 5:31 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles south of Morganton or 6 miles southwest of South Mountain State Park, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour, wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Glenwood, Boston, Teaser, South Mountain State Park, Pleasant Grove, Cookville, Vale, and Polkville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lower level of the building. Please report damaging wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Catawba, Cleveland, Lincoln, and Rutherford. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County. A severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles south of Morgan. Southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina. The storm was located 10 miles north of Shelby or over Forsyth, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard to entail 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Davidson City, Maywood, Lawndale, Gaston, Forsyth, Gazer, and Burke City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damage in windows or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 226 remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Rockingham, Burke,
Why do I still have to miss the work on my
Catawba,
Oh boy.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, central Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Gastonia, or near High Shoals, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Mount Holly, Belmont, Dallas, Stanley, Cramerton, Lowell, Randall, High Shoals, and McCaddenville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Gaston, and Lincoln. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Surry County in northwestern North Carolina, Stokes County in north-central North Carolina, Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Rockingham County in north-central North Carolina, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Flat Rock to near Windy Gap, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eaton, Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro, Yadkin, Wilkesboro, Fairview, and Flat Rock. Prepare immediately for damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Forsyth County, northeastern Davidson County, until 9 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Enon, or near East Bend, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Winston-Salem, Thomasville, Kernersville, Clements, Bermuda Run, Huntsville, Louisville, Walkertown, Rural Hall, and Fosstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Davidson, and Forsyth. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.
Looks like Davy's brother is in SVR. Alright.
Central Gaston County in the North North Carolina until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Gastonia, or Davidson City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Gastonia, Bessemer City, Dallas, Stanley, Cramerton, Lowell, Ranma, Catawba, and Belmont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message describes the event and specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Gaston, North Carolina. This is the NOAA.
Interesting how you didn't do wiggle limbs. That's inspired being on voice. Or maybe it could be due to signal. Likely signal, given how KGY 85 tends to be in my area.